What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nando Siriani here. So today's video is all about 5 items that can enhance your appearance overnight. I'm gonna give you guys 5 secrets that's gonna help you become more attractive overnight. Now, before we even get into the video, I want you to please hit the like button on this video as it really helps out my channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe because I'm posting content like this every single week. And I want you to be a part of my community where we talk about men's fashion, men's grooming, and men's lifestyle and fitness. Now, right off the bat here is obviously a suit. Anytime a man wears a suit, it just enhances their silhouette. Especially if the suit is well tailored, there is nothing better than a well-fitted suit on a man. Now, not only does it give you a sophisticated and elegant look, it also just complements your features and your physique of your body. There was actually a recent study that showed that men that wear suits every day that go to work were actually more successful than guys that weren't wearing suits. Now, when we say suit, we're obviously thinking of a shirt and tie, but there's actually tons of different ways to wear a suit and have fun with it. Now, you can wear a suit with a t-shirt, a tank top, or just a dress shirt. Cool thing about a suit is that you don't always have to wear it together either. If you have a really nice navy or black suit, you can definitely even wear the blazer with a pair of dark wash denim jeans, or vice versa, where you just wear your black dress pants with, let's say, a black t-shirt. Overall, I think men need to start wearing suits a lot more when we go out because it just shows that you actually put a lot of thought and care into your outfit. It shows that you're more put together. It shows that you're confident about yourself. I guarantee if you start wearing a suit a lot more in your day-to-day life, you'll actually start to notice how much more confident you become when you're around people. And having a nice suit is a great conversation starter because you get to talk about the material, the fabric, where you got it from. It's so easy to talk about suits because there's so many different brands. So if you're someone in the business world and you're actually allowed to wear this stuff a lot more, I would take full advantage of it and actually start wearing it. Now, the next one here is actually pretty funny because I don't know if you guys have heard or seen the meme of when girls post when he wears gray sweatpants. This has been trending a lot on TikTok, Instagram, is like when these girls see guys wearing gray sweatpants, their jaws drop down to the floor. Gray sweatpant on a man actually enhances their overall physique, as it shows off their legs, their glutes, and girls like stuff like that. They like seeing a guy with nice legs. When you put these gray sweatpants on, it's a little bit different. It shows your physique a little bit more, shows your character a lot more. You know, and I know you're thinking, but these are just gray sweatpants. What's the big deal? Now, if you put together cool outfits with gray sweatpants, I guarantee you people will start complimenting you because it's just such a different piece to start throwing on your day-to-day life. I've seen guys even throw on gray sweatpants with a blazer and a t-shirt, and it actually looks super dope. And I do tons of videos on how to style gray sweatpants because I just think it's a very popular topic for men. I guarantee the next coffee date you go on, you throw on a gray sweatpant with a cool overshirt and a tank top, the girl is definitely gonna compliment your outfit, 100%. Your gray sweatpants can even be worn with any shoe in your closet, from your boots to your white leather sneakers, to your running shoes. You can show off your athletic look or you can show off more of your casual outfit. Now, it also pairs up nicely with jackets. It pairs up nicely with a leather jacket, a blazer, a bomber jacket, or you can even dress it down completely with a crew neck or a hoodie. Now, as you can see, it has endless options. And at the same time, you are very comfortable. Not only do you look good, but you get to walk around and be comfortable. So if you're someone that doesn't like to wear dress pants, jeans, chino pants, then I'm here to tell you this is the perfect fit for you. Now, there's many different styles of gray sweatpants. You can go for that baggy look or for the slim fit look. It just depends the overall aesthetic you want to show off. It just depends on the outfit you're wearing. I guarantee if you ask a girl or your girlfriend, hey, do you like when I wear gray sweatpants? I was watching this YouTube video and a guy said to start wearing gray sweatpants and it can instantly make me more attractive overnight. They're 100% gonna say yes, I promise you on this. So I know we just spoke about something a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more casual, but the next item here is a polo shirt. Now, I really love wearing polo shirts when I go out for dinner as it just shows an elevated, sophisticated look, as it really enhances your silhouette. It enhances your chest muscles, your shoulders, your arms, especially if the polo shirt is a little bit tighter around the biceps, you're definitely gonna be able to show off a little bit more of your arm. Now, depending on the polo shirt that you're buying, now, if you're sitting there going, I don't really like wearing, tight clothes, I like wearing more baggy clothes, then it's totally fine because there's different ones that have different fits. I recommend looking at Lacoste or Ralph Lauren, as I really love the way those fit, especially around the arms. And a polo shirt is a great piece to invest into because it's such a versatile item to have in your wardrobe, as again, it pairs up with your suit pants, your chino pants, your jeans. You can either dress this up or down with any jacket in your wardrobe. I would suggest starting off with either a white or black polo shirt just to get yourself comfortable with actually wearing this. And again, these items are only gonna work if you feel good wearing them, if you feel confident about yourself when you wear them. I can suggest these items for you, but if you don't actually feel good in them, then don't wear them. Because that's the last thing I would want you to do, is not to actually feel good while you're wearing this stuff. From my personal experience, these are items that I've picked that I found myself feel really good when I wear them. Whenever I post a video on Instagram or TikTok and I have a tight polo shirt on, the video always just seems to do a lot better because I think people really like seeing that put together look with the polo shirt when you have the watch on, you got the rings on. It just overall, it stands out. Now again, it is a very versatile piece. For example, you can wear it with your cardigan, you can wear it with your blazer, you can wear it with your bomber jacket. As you can see, the options are endless. Let's say you're someone that doesn't have a lot of dapper shoes. By dapper, I mean dress shoes, your loafers. That's totally cool because you can wear this polo shirt, which is even your white leather sneaker, and the outfit will look really put together. This next one is very obvious. Obviously, it's a black fitted t-shirt. Now, obviously we all look a lot better when we wear a monochromatic look, like an all black look. But there's something about when you have a good fitted black t-shirt on, there's honestly probably nothing better than this when you go out. There's endless options to wearing this. You can wear this pretty much anywhere you go. You can wear this to run errands. You can wear this to a formal event with a blazer. You can wear this out on a casual date, a coffee date. I would suggest even at least having 2 to 3 black t-shirts that are the same, so that you're not constantly washing the same one. As for myself, I wear a lot of black t-shirts, so I'm constantly, going through them every single week and washing them, drying them. So if you have a little bit more of them and you find one that you really, really like that fits your body perfect, I would suggest just stacking up on them because you're gonna be wearing this a lot. This is something like a pair of socks or your underwear. And the cool thing about a black t-shirt is that you can actually have fun with it. You can wear your jewelry with it. You can throw on chains, you can throw on bracelets to really enhance the outfit. You can really elevate the outfit with this black t-shirt by mixing and matching different layers on top of this black t-shirt. For example, the shirt I'm wearing right now, let's say this was a black denim shirt and I had a black t-shirt underneath, you'll be able to see the different texture and the contrast of the outfit because the black t-shirt is a good base. When you think about a black t-shirt like the basement of a house, you're gonna start your outfit with the black t-shirt and then build up from there. That's why it's super important to actually find a brand that fits your body nicely. And not to mention, if you're working out and you feel good, black t-shirt is really gonna enhance your overall physique. You're gonna be able to see your shoulders, your biceps, your triceps, your chest muscles. It's gonna really enhance your overall silhouette. So if you're someone that doesn't like wearing tight clothing, I suggest going with that oversized boxed fitted t-shirt. As again, this will be a versatile piece in your wardrobe as you can pair it up with all of your pants, all of your sweatpants, your dress pants. This is gonna look really nice. So again, this is all about finding what fits you properly. I can suggest good brands in the comments down below for you guys. I actually like my t-shirts from All Saints, ATOS Apparel, Mango has some good ones. So there's a bunch of good brands out there that I just kind of go through that I find that just fit my body good. Now the thing about this video is you probably already have a lot of these items in your wardrobe, but never really thought about wearing them as much as I'm telling you. Now there's endless ways in styling these pieces that I just mentioned. As you have to have fun with fashion, you have to have fun with experimenting different ways of styling this stuff. Afraid to throw on your black t-shirt with a pair of gray trousers. You have to be creative and have fun with it and look for inspiration on the internet. As there's great influencers on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok that are constantly talking about how to style these pieces, as these are really good essential pieces to have in your wardrobe. I'll tell you, there's nothing like wearing a black fitted t-shirt when you go out on a date. It's a great first impression. It makes you look really put together. Next item we're talking about here, I'm actually wearing it and it is a chain. A chain will really show off a guy's outfit when you put on a casual t-shirt, you wear this with a white dress shirt. Something about the way a gold or silver chain looks on someone's skin just really elevates their look. It shows a different side of you. It shows a different side of your character, your personality. The thing about a chain is there's endless options of styles, materials that you can look at. You don't always have to break the bank on having a really nice chain. There's great brands out there that sell them for a good price. So if you're someone that is not wearing jewelry and you're not really into wearing that stuff, I would just suggest starting off with just a thin silver necklace, as it's gonna really enhance when you start wearing your white t-shirts, your black t-shirts. It's gonna really elevate your style a lot. And people will start noticing and start talking to you about it. It's a great conversation starter. Now you wanna make sure when you are wearing a chain that it complements your skin tone and it complements the outfit you're wearing. You wouldn't wear a thick chain with, let's say, a really nice, elegant suit. That's when you'd wear a thinner chain like this one with a smaller pendant. If you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you see that I wear that thicker chain a lot when I go out with my white t-shirts, my black t-shirts, or if I'm just wearing a tank top, it looks really nice. If you're someone that's already working out and you're working on your chest and your chest muscles are showing, it's gonna attract people to look at your chain, and therefore they're gonna start noticing how much work you've been putting into your body. Again, having a chain, having jewelry, wearing this stuff, it's just a no-brainer on how to elevate your style overnight. It's a great way to add depth to your outfit and show off what you're wearing, even though you may just be wearing a black fitted t-shirt or a white t-shirt. Now, when you are on the market looking for a chain, there's many different options. So you have to actually experiment and try this stuff on. When you are on the market looking for a chain, you wanna make sure it's not too short or too long, depending on the style. If it's a choker necklace, then that's totally fine. It's a little bit shorter. But if it's a necklace, you wanna keep it around your chest level, like the one I'm wearing right now. My personal opinion, if you're someone that's new to wearing jewelry and you've never bought a necklace or a chain before, I would start off with silver, as silver is very subtle and sleek. When you start becoming confident with wearing silver, then you can start dabbling a little bit more with the gold chain, the gold rings, the gold necklaces. As you can see on my Instagram and TikTok, I'm constantly wearing a lot of silver jewelry, as I just personally find it's a little bit easier for me to put together outfits with this style. But again, this is about experimenting stuff and what you feel good in. So just because I don't like wearing gold or I'm not wearing gold right now, it doesn't mean you can't. This is about going out and trying on these pieces and seeing what you feel good in. Because someone is telling you to wear something, it doesn't mean you have to go buy it right away. You actually have to start, trying this stuff on, going to the store, going to the jewelry store, and seeing what complements you. There's a lot of good jewelry brands out there. Just off the top of my head right now, I like wearing David Yurman, Sergey Denims. I don't know if I'm saying that properly. There's Rose Gold and Black. There's Crafted London. There's a lot of cool brands out there that have good, affordable pieces. And depending on what your budget is, I'm sure you'll find something that works for you. So there you have it, guys. There was 5 items that can elevate your style overnight and make you feel like an unstoppable man. Now, if I did do that, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, as I'm posting content on here every single week. And I don't want you guys to miss it. And I'll see you all in the next video.